Hey everyone, it's Danielle at Great Lakes Aquarium, and today we are going to continue with our DIY week, and we have some really great stuff in front of me to do nature art. So this is a fun, easy way to get outside. You can do this in your yard, you can do this at the beach, you can do this anywhere outside, whether you live in a city, in the country, anything like that, because all you need is just what you find. So there are three basic ideas with doing nature art. The first is you're using things that you find what we call dead and down. So it's on the ground, we're not taking from live trees or anything like that. So instead we're looking around us, seeing what we can use. The second thing is to make sure that we are not interrupting or disturbing a lot of the nature that's going on here. So we don't want to mess with animals, we don't want to displace insects or anything like that. So we want to be very conscious that we're doing this in a very polite way in these animals' homes. And then the third piece is to make sure that we put everything back, or at least disperse it when we're done. So we want to make it seem like nobody has been here. That's the goal. And that's a great part to think about wherever you're going outside. Leave no trace is a great thing to follow to make sure that you're not causing problems or causing a mess where you go out in nature, so that way other people can come and enjoy that space just the same as you did. So to look at some of the materials we have here, so Abby and I went around and we started to see what we could find on the ground. So we definitely found some pine cones here, found some cool rocks, some bark, some really nice piece of birch bark here, lots of sticks, and I only found one leaf, but I'm sure the fall would be a really fun time to do this as well, with all the different colored leaves. And basically what we're going to do is just see what we come up with, see what we're inspired by in nature, and turn it into art. So we have one example over here. I made one earlier, and from this angle it just looks like sticks, but if you look into it, it's a frame for the flowers. I don't know. I think it's kind of nice.
I think it's pretty cool.
Oh, thanks, Abby.
Yeah.
So basically that's what we're going to do. So Abby and I are each going to take just 1 minute and see what we can come up with in that minute and make some art. So, ready, Abby?
I think I'm ready.
Okay. I'm going to take the camera here and we're going to go. All right. Let's do it. 1 minute.
Timer?
I don't know. I don't have a timer. I'll just watch my watch.
Cool.
All right. Let's do it. All right. Let's see what we got here. I think I'm going to use some of these. And then I saw a really cool stump over on this side. Yeah, there we go. This is the stump I was thinking about. I'll turn the camera around so you can see it. To me, it kind of looks like Lake Superior. So I think we could do something really fun here. All right, let's see. Maybe some of these could do. Oh, I have a great idea. So a stick like that. Oh, that might be too thick. Stick like that. Ooh. A stick like that. And then, ooh. Abby, are there any more thick sticks over there?
There are thick sticks.
Oh, sweet. Ooh, that's a big one. I might take that one. Yeah, thanks. How's yours going?
It's going.
Ooh.
Sticking with the pine cones.
Ooh, I like it. I can't wait to see what yours is. Alright, we're almost done with our minute though. Okay, but now I need to think. See, this is the city of Duluth. So north is like that. Right? I should have brought a compass for this. Because the sun comes up over there. So, yes. Alright, Abby, we're going to go down to 10 seconds. Oh, I got to finish mine. Okay. Maybe like a little pizzazz. Alright, you ready? Okay, let's come see what you got.
It's all falling apart.
Oh no.
Like a little bouquet of pine cones.
Oh,
You
let's
know.
see it.
There you go.
Oh, that's so cool.
Got a lot of sap.
It kind of looks like a grouse.
Ooh, okay. Little bird. See
I
that?
don't know, but it's whatever you see.
I think a grouse is pretty. It's a pretty good description.
How did you get those like interlaced in there?
Stuck them in
Just
there.
stuck them in.
Yep.
Oh, cool.
Stick it in. Pine cones are kind of naturally have all these nice grooves, so just kind of stick that stuff in. Don't have to worry about it. And sap, you know, really helps with the glue part
Yeah.
portion. Let's go see what you made. I'm so curious to see what you did.
Okay, let's go. All right. Here, I'll hand this off to you then.
All right.
All right. So I was explaining to them that I found this log and it looks like Lake Superior.
Okay.
So I put sticks on it that face the cardinal directions.
Ah,
So
very
this
cool.
one's going north,
Mm-hmm.
south, east, and west.
Nice.
So that way
That's really cool.
Yeah.
I like
think
that a lot.
I think I'm close.
It does really look like Lake Superior too.
Right?
Yeah.
I threw some pizzazz in because Lake Superior's
Full of
pizzazz.
pizzazz. Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
super fun. Sweet.
Yeah. This was fun.
Yeah, it'd be cool to like spend more time on it, obviously, but we have a short video. But you at home could definitely spend a little bit more time and see what you can come up with. Or if you have an opportunity, there are books and all sorts of internet pieces that have more what they call earthworks. And so there are artists who do all of their work in nature. And there's some really amazing things, everything from small scale, like what Abby and I just did, all the way to big, big pieces of art. So you can definitely check out more like that. But also I just encourage you to get outside and enjoy nature, see what's around you, use those observation skills, and maybe you'll find something cool along the way. And if you do make any nature art projects, definitely feel free to post them in the comments with this video, because we would love to see what you come up with and what materials you have around your home. So with that, we're gonna make sure that we put all of our pieces away. So I'll have to make sure to pick up all of this. This was all just right here. And we'll put these back where we found them, or at least lay them out so it looks like we weren't actually here. But yeah, thanks a lot for joining us. We'll be back on Thursday with another DIY craft or project you can do at home. Thanks for joining in. Thank you so much for all the support to Great Lakes Aquarium. As always, feel free to come on by and check us out. We are open 10 to 6, or if you want to continue supporting us in other ways, right on our website, under the donation page, the support page, there's all sorts of ways that you can help us out during this time. Otherwise, I'll see you later.